On behalf of the board, it is my honor and privilege to welcome you to the inauguration of our 16th president, Dr. Christian M. Brady. Without question, we found a president in Christian Brady who personifies the innovative, faith-based, and mission-driven leadership that Wittenberg needs to thrive in today's higher education landscape.
We know that this is your calling, President Brady.
In you, we have found an inspiring leader with the wherewithal to ensure Wittenberg's continued vitality and noble pursuits.
He embodies everything a Wittenberg Tiger should be, and we know he is passing his light just as students are taught to.
Representing the alumni body, please accept our greetings and support as you lead our beloved alma mater.
This man has a fight, this man has a vision, and as Mayor of Springfield, I'm excited that this leader of the university is here to lead this into a new day for Wittenberg.
May the days ahead find you witnessing to the ways a university can leverage its teaching, its research, its learning, and its service to lead a fractured world from crisis to hope.
By the authority vested in me by the Board of Directors and the State of Ohio, I now install you as the 16th President of Wittenberg University. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you our President, Christian M. Brady.
On the Wittenberg Way, our students discern their calling, develop the knowledge and skills needed for successful careers, and prepare for purposeful and fulfilling lives. Thank you for allowing me to join you on the Wittenberg Way.